Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into the future of luxury with the 2026 Cadillac Celestiq, Cadillac's all-electric flagship sedan and a statement of automotive innovation. Our model is finished in a sleek black color, emphasizing its elegance, sophistication, and commanding presence on the road. This isn't just a car, it's a showcase of technology, craftsmanship, and luxury at its finest. From the exterior design to the cutting-edge interior, performance, and advanced features, the Celestiq sets a new benchmark for American electric luxury. Exterior. The 2026 Cadillac Celestiq is a true design masterpiece. Its black exterior gives it a stealthy, sophisticated, and timeless look, perfectly complementing its modern and sculpted lines. At the front, the Celestiq features Cadillac's signature grille, now reimagined for a fully electric vehicle. Sleek, adaptive LED headlights integrate seamlessly into the body, giving it a futuristic yet refined face. The low-slung nose and wide stance give the car a commanding presence, while subtle aerodynamic details hint at performance and efficiency. The side profile is stunning, with long, flowing lines that emphasize the Celestiq's elegant proportions. Flush door handles, sculpted fenders, and large alloy wheels enhance the visual impact. The roofline flows smoothly into the rear, giving the car a coupe-like silhouette despite its four-door configuration. At the rear, slim LED taillights stretch across the width of the car, creating a modern and distinctive look. The integrated diffuser and subtle spoiler elements provide both style and improved aerodynamics. Every angle of the Celestiq has been carefully crafted, making it a true work of automotive art. Interior. Step inside the 2026 Celestiq, and you enter an ultra-luxurious and tech-forward cabin. Cadillac has combined cutting-edge technology with handcrafted materials to create an environment that rivals the world's best luxury sedans. The black color theme continues inside, with premium leather, open-pore wood, and hand-polished metal accents throughout the cabin. Seats are fully adjustable, ventilated, and massaging, offering the utmost comfort for driver and passengers alike. Ambient lighting adds to the sense of luxury, allowing customization of mood and color throughout the cabin. The centerpiece is a massive curved OLED display that integrates the digital instrument cluster, infotainment system, and passenger touchscreens into one seamless interface. Haptic feedback, voice control, and advanced AI assist make interacting with the car intuitive and futuristic. Rear passengers enjoy executive-level comfort, with adjustable seating, climate controls, and entertainment features. The cabin feels spacious, serene, and meticulously detailed, reflecting the Celestiq's position as Cadillac's flagship. Performance. The 2026 Cadillac Celestiq is powered by a fully electric drivetrain, producing over 600 horsepower depending on configuration. With all-wheel drive and advanced torque vectoring, the Celestiq delivers exceptional traction, acceleration, and stability. 0 to 60 miles per hour is achieved in around 3.5 seconds, an impressive feat for a full-size luxury sedan. The adaptive suspension and active chassis systems allow the car to glide smoothly over bumps while maintaining sharp handling on twisty roads. Being fully electric, the Celestiq offers instant torque and a quiet, refined drive. The battery pack provides a range of over 300 miles, ensuring it's suitable for both city driving and long-distance travel. Regenerative braking and energy management systems further enhance efficiency without compromising driving dynamics. Driving the Celestiq is a blend of effortless luxury and exhilarating performance. The steering is precise, the ride is ultra-smooth, and the cabin is whisper-quiet, creating a serene cocoon even at high speeds. Acceleration is immediate, making merging onto highways or overtaking a breeze. The adaptive drive modes allow the driver to switch between comfort-focused cruising and performance-oriented driving, ensuring versatility for every occasion. Technology like active suspension, predictive road smoothing, and AI-assisted driver aids enhances both comfort and safety, giving you confidence and control at all times. This is a sedan that makes every journey feel special. The Celestiq is loaded with cutting-edge technology. It features Cadillac's latest infotainment system with AI-assisted navigation, voice control, and seamless smartphone integration. Over-the-air software updates keep the vehicle current without ever needing to visit a dealer. Safety is equally impressive, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced sensor suite capable of semi-autonomous driving in certain conditions. Passenger comfort and convenience are also prioritized, with personalized climate zones, seat adjustments, and an ultra-quiet cabin that minimizes road and wind noise. Being fully electric, the Celestiq has fewer moving parts than a traditional internal combustion vehicle, resulting in lower long-term maintenance requirements. Routine checks like brake inspection, tire maintenance, and software updates keep the car in top shape. The cabin is spacious and practical for a flagship sedan, with ample trunk space and configurable storage options. Despite its ultra-luxury status, it remains functional for daily use and long-distance travel. Price and value. The 2026 Cadillac Celestiq is positioned as a halo vehicle for the brand, with pricing starting well above $300,000. This reflects its handcrafted design, advanced technology, and status as a fully electric flagship. For buyers seeking exclusivity, ultimate luxury, and cutting-edge performance in a fully electric sedan, the Celestiq delivers unmatched value. It competes with vehicles like the Mercedes-Benz EQS, Lucid Air, and Rolls-Royce Spectre, but with Cadillac's signature American luxury styling and innovation. To wrap things up, the 2026 Cadillac Celestiq in black is a masterpiece of modern automotive design. It combines futuristic technology, opulent craftsmanship, electrifying performance, and sophisticated styling into one remarkable package. Whether you're looking for an executive-level electric sedan, a status symbol, or simply the ultimate driving experience, the Celestiq delivers in every way. It's bold, luxurious, and absolutely unforgettable, a true flagship for Cadillac's future. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Cadillac Celestiq, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another premium car review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.